Hey guys. Okay, we are in lesson 15. Lesson 15 is all about equations of graphs with proportional relationships involving fractions. That just sounds scary. Okay, we can do it though. We can do it. First, we need to read this problem. Honestly, I'm not going to read till I see a number. 10K race. Okay, whatever. Previously, his mother ran a 5K race with a time of 1.5 hours. Assume Sam's mom ran the same rate. Same rate. Unit rate? Constant of proportionality? We got this. We've done it before. Okay, we can do it. Complete the chart, create a table, and graph it. Okay. It's going to be hard, but we can do it. First thing, when we're doing a table, we have to know the unit rate, right? We're going to have to figure that out. So my y variable is my distance run in kilometers, which is 5K, right? And to figure out my unit rate, I have to divide y by my x. My x is my 1.5 hours. So 1.5 hours. So let's make that 5 divided by, oops, sorry, I got the hiccups. 3/2. Let's make that an improper fraction. I see division of a fraction. So I multiply by the reciprocal. 5 times 2/3 equals 10 thirds. Okay, my constant is 10 thirds. I can do this now. So now I'm going to have to start filling out this table. Once I fill out the table, it's way easier to graph because I already have the points. And I think I'm just going to go with, I'm going to put 1/2 hours, 1 hour, 1.5, and 2, 2.5, and 3. You can choose your own numbers, but I think those are easy. We have to have numbers between 0 and 4 because that's all they give us on our graph. So I'm just going to choose between 1/2 and 3. So to do my distance, how am I going to do that? If I already have that distance equals 10 thirds, so my y equals kx. Oh, and I already have all my h's written down. So I just have to plug into this equation. Okay, I can do that. We're going to erase this really quick. Oops, if I can. And I'm going to show you one, and then I'm going to pause this, and I'm going to fill the rest out. We're going to go over it, and then we're going to graph it. We can do this. Okay, 1/2. I already have 10 thirds. I have to figure this out. So I already have my 10 thirds. Ooh. 10 thirds. And I have to multiply that by my h, which in this one is 1/2. That equals 10 over, 3 times 2 is 6, which is reducible. We can do it. What goes into both of those? 2. 5/3. So 5/3, that's like 1 2/3. Okay, I'm going to fill out the rest really quick, and then we're going to graph it together. Okay, ready? I'll be right back. Maybe. Okay, I'm back. We can do this. So I got the whole chart filled out. I just multiplied each of my h's, hours, times by 10/3, which was my constant. So now I'm going to graph it. Okay, I know this is proportional, so guess what? I'm going to start my point here at 0, 0. That's what we know. Every proportional relationship on a graph goes through the origin. 0, 0. That's my point. Okay, then I'm going to look at my table. And my first point there, I see my h is on the bottom and my distance is on the side. So my x and my y. So I'm going to go to half because that's my h. And then I'm going to go up to 1 2/3. So that's almost here at 2. I'm going to put a point. Then I'm at a 1. And then I see that that goes up to 3 1/3. So I'm going to go like halfway and a little up. Okay. All right. 1.5 to 5. Okay. Then 2 to 6 2/3. And then 2.5 to 8 1/3. And then 3 to 10. Guys, watch this. I'm going to then draw my line. And because we're doing it by hand, not everything is going to line up perfectly, but we already know this is proportional, so it works out. So that would be our cool graph and table. Okay, I hope that helped. We'll see. I bet you can do it. I believe in you.